The moment you introduce a lab and allied item, it is easily taken up because people associate lab and allied with quality over the years.
Compared to other pharmaceutical companies, lab and allied products are quite pocket friendly.
They have the best equipment within East and Central Africa.
Lab and Allied is one of East Africa's leading pharmaceutical companies. It was founded in 1970 and has amassed 45 years of experience in servicing clients throughout the region.
We have close to 250 different formulations which is registered with the Pharmacy and Poisons Board, Kenya. And we have, say, 40 to 50 different products being registered in different countries.
We manufacture almost virtually all the ranges of products for human use. And this includes liquids, ointments, creams, injectables, and oral solid dosage forms, tablets, capsules, dry syrups. We pay particular attention to the manufacture of essential medicines.
When I joined the company many years ago, the population of Kenya or the region was 1/10 of what the population is now. The challenges of tropical diseases are of major issues which we need a local solution where the affordability, quality, reliability and quickly accessibility are the key factors. Where we have found substantial opportunities to grow, and the support of the governments and the regulators have been tremendous all these years.
We believe that at Lab and Allied, we are into manufacturing of medicines, which is very important for the society. If we are detached from the society, we are never going to be recognized as a company which is for the people, which is in the country where it is manufacturing, and that level of trust which should be there with the company, with the product, shall never be there.
Lab and Allied's operation involves the highest technical standards. The quality of its products routinely matches what's to be found in wealthier parts of the world.
We are one of the pioneers of setting new standards, new scales in facilities, in terms of skill development, in terms of product range, in terms of market shares.
The infrastructure which we have is of the world-class level, is of the WHO standards. The manpower which we are hiring, the process of hiring is of the world-class level. The material procurement is of the world-class level. The machines which we have is of the world-class level. So definitely we are not lacking anywhere as compared to the rest of the world.
We have very highly experienced and qualified people. We practice equal gender practices where men and women are in equal shares. You see them young is because some of them have been with us for quite a number of years straight from university. So we'd like to train them on the job and then have offerings of workshops that are externally prepared by professionals who come from different bodies all over the world. The key factor is motivation, which we have been training since day one, which makes them to feel at home, committed and more satisfied. And every day is an experience where they learn new skills, which makes their development faster.
The method which we have opted for ensuring that our products reach to our customers is the convention, that is through our valued customers, the valued partners that are the distributors. And secondly, we also supply directly to the major customers like the medical stores or the Ministry of Health. And thirdly, we also have a few reputed retailers which we also cater directly.
This distribution network is critical to Lab and Allied's success. Local distributors have long had confidence in their partnership with the company.
We basically distribute the entire range of pharmaceuticals. We deal with antibiotics, we deal with antihypertensives, antidiabetics, cough syrups, tablets, injections, liquids, anything, name it. When I was doing my internship, I went to Lab and Allied. I know the quality of their products. I know how much they actually go towards making their products quality. So even as I distribute for Lab and Allied, I'm satisfied with the quality. I have no doubt about their products and their service is good.
Lab and Allied is not just a supplier in this market, they also buy raw materials from companies that they have helped to nurture.
Laboratory and Allied were the first people to encourage us to do this kind of business, and they made sure that we succeed in what we do.
One of the company's great strengths is that it's based inside Kenya, combining world-class standards with the convenience of local supply.
Products manufactured in Kenya are of standard, not only for taking care of ailments which are routine, but also taking care of serious ailments. And you do not have to go to a company outside Kenya to get the medicine for treating such ailments.
Local manufacturers are very important because you can be assured of the quality of the products that you get. At the same time, they offer jobs to the Kenyans.
The local manufacturers have a good base, and over the time, even the quality of products has really increased, and we have no challenge at all when it comes to quality.
Lab and Allied distributes its products well beyond the borders of Kenya. They're found in several other countries in the region. In Uganda, they've formed an important new partnership with a major local distributor.
To import from China or India, it takes a longer time. The order planning, a schedule, a freight, even the freight cost. Whereas when we have a facility in Kenya, the lead time is very small. We can get the stuff in the shortest period of time, and moreover, because of the low transportation, the cost factor goes also down. And it has been observed the people in Uganda are supporting the East African community manufacturer, and they like Kenyan product better than the Chinese product.
This is business, and there are a lot of things that go with the relationships. One is trust, sometimes even in terms of getting credit facilities from supplier, and which to us is quite important because you cannot always be able to finance all the activities. So when you have a relationship and over many years, trust develops, and you easily access credit from the suppliers.
Pharmaceutical industry is a very noble profession. We ensure that by doing activities such as this, a company is known to be manufacturing products or services which would enhance the lives of people.
So I'm very, very confident and convinced that we have a bright future. Looking at our background from where we come and where we have reached, we have a lot of work to do. Yes, there are local challenges, international challenges which we are ready to face and overcome them with homegrown solutions.
Lab and Allied has a bright future. The reason is the commitment of the management. It has taken a lot of initiative to upgrade facilities, to increase capacities, and to launch products which are going to be required in the coming days. So if a company such as this is sensitive to the market needs, this company is going to go a long way.